everybody, Omega, I'm here, and today we're going to be setting up my new tent. And next month we're going to be doing the French River, and I can't wait for that. And so we need a tent, right? And so I got a tent. It's from North Face, and I got a good deal on it too. Let's check it out. So what we have here is the Homestead Domey 3. Now this is an older tent. I think, you know, like 2015, 16, something like that. The model came out. So, and they had all these different kinds of designs with them, right? So they only had a certain selection to pick from, so I couldn't pick and choose like the special color that they had. I don't know if I like that one, but it's sort of camouflage-ish, right? Except for the fluorescent green. But yeah, well, guess what I paid for it? It was the regular price for this tent, is because it's a quality tent, right? It's $360, and I got it for $140. $140 for a high quality tent. Probably because it's like an older model and they're just getting rid of their stock, and also because North Face manufactures and they distribute, so they can give discounts pretty easy. And so what we got here is a 3-man tent, 50 square feet, and it's 6 pounds 15 ounces. I could have got the 2-man tent. They had one there, but it was only 1 pound lighter. So for the extra room, like you get a lot of extra room. Like with a 2-man tent, 2 people will be very crowded, right? It would be good for 1 person, but with this 3-man tent, 2 people, you know, they got enough space, and 1 person would be nice and roomy. And it's only another pound, but the disadvantage is you got a lot more space, right? I have another older 5-pound tent, 1.5 person, that's like half the volume of this. So I probably wouldn't take this backpacking, but for canoeing this is just fine. And let's just see some of the features it has. So it's got waterproof single wall design for easy pitching, 3 doors for easy in and out access, a mesh skylight for stargazing, a small fly covers the skylight when it rains, high-low ventilation for breathability, duffel bag style stuff sack, and tentertainment center included. What is a tentertainment center? It's got like a DVD setup in the side or something. But anyways, yeah, and I got this tent cover, or floor. You should always get a ground thing for your tent because you don't want to damage the floor of your nice beautiful tent. So you got to have a ground tarp. And this I got for my other tent, which I only used 1 day. The other tent was not too good. I didn't like it at all, and so I sold that one after 1 use. And yeah, so I'm just going to make sure that this fits under here, which I'm sure it will. So let's start setting it up. Okay, let's do this up. Got a nice little knot in it. Worst thing about tents is just rolling them up. See how nice and neat that is? I just hate undoing it because I'll never get it back to the way it was. I don't like that color though, but oh well. Can I remember how it goes? I don't think so. It's probably just going to be one of those stuff it up things. Just stuff it up. Okay, so Yeah, it looks kind of roomy, doesn't it? I think so. Now, hopefully this turns out on the film. What's this? Is that the tent entertainment center? Yeah, so I guess we got some spikes. And we got some poles. Now there's a little cup inside the bag, which is no good because the poles kind of get stuck in there. Okay, so I got two different color poles. Silver and yellow. Silver and gold. Well, we got, I guess, two places to put it in. There's a silver and gold slot, so this must go here. Shall go this way. Might be. Okay. This one seems longer than the other one. Oh, there's two. There's two grays. They must be the same. So 3 poles total. Is it fitting? Yeah, just making sure. I don't want to set this up and it doesn't come out. Then I'll have to take it down and do it again, right? And that's no fun. See, YouTube videos are a lot of work. They're not easy. Okay. Last pole. I should have timed myself. Starting to get hotter now. It was cool yesterday. It was like 38 degrees in the Arctic. It was like only 20 degrees, 24 degrees here. But now I guess we had a north wind, so I guess maybe some of that high pressure system is starting to come down to us now. Now, I'm not sure what to do here. Maybe this one. This is a tight fit, I'll have to tell you. Really tight. I don't understand. It's about this one. Maybe I got a wrong pull. That's tight. Try this one. Is not fitting. That's like not even close to fitting. Oh, there we go. No. I'm not liking how tight this fits. It makes it a struggle to set up. Maybe I should YouTube how to set this thing up. Alright, there we go. Oh my God. I thought this was going to be easy. I'm going to have to YouTube, see if somebody else can set this up, because this is like extremely tight. can't even get it. I'm like, okay, there we go. What an interesting dome tent this is. So it's not quite a dome, but it's a dome. But that was really hard to get those poles in there. Maybe there's an easier way to do it. So don't look at me for how to set up this tent. I'm just showing you what I got. Okay. Maybe we should open the doors first. Maybe that would help. Stretch it out more. Look at this. Look at this. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Nice skylight. Yeah. There's a lot of room in here. Look at this. So you figure, if I'm by myself, look at this. I got all this. I could put like a computer desk and everything here. But, with two people, with two people, it's nice. So I have to say that this tent is really nice. Just put no spoils on. So we got 3 doors. 3 doors. Each with the mesh. So you can have lots of ventilation at night, If it's hot. The zippers are look at the zipper quality. The zipper quality is really good. The seams, stitching is really good. It's nice and firm. Maybe that's why you got to struggle. What's this? We even got, what's that for? That's like to hang clothes? Maybe. But it was kind of like, I don't know. Maybe it's to hang clothes. Yeah, it is. See? So, look at this. This is a beauty. And it comes with the rain fly, which I'm not going to bother setting up. If you think it's going to rain. What else? This thing here. I guess that's just some more storage you could put inside the tent. It's got clips and everything. So I guess, yeah. Let's get back on it. This is something. Can't wait to use it. So if a bear comes in the one door, I can go at the other one. It's good that way. So so that concludes the Homestead Domey tent from North Face. Good quality, I have to say, really good quality tent. Only the pole problem, but I think I could manage that, and maybe after setting it up a few times I might stretch a bit and be easier the next time. So I can't wait to go. Stay tuned for some more videos. I'm going to have some more updates before the big trip, and I want to do the Niagara River, but I was supposed to do that this week, but just not enough time. So hopefully I might be able to do that before the trip, but if not, it'll have to come after. But anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned next time. Bye-bye.